NFL prop picks, Monday Night Football, 49ers, Jets. So let's wrap up week one. This is on screen, the week one touchdown props that we did on the YouTube channel. We go 4 for 6, really. The four most likely to hit did hit. We couldn't cash DJ Moore or DK Metcalf, but still came away with an overall win. If you played them as singles, I played a round robin, made a little bit of money. Tons of plays in the DFS Army Discord. Make sure you come join, get access to more plays. But for now, I got 3 plays. We're going to go underdog fantasy for Monday Night Football. Let's hit the intro. Let's go to work. All right, one of the many tools at DFS Army, we got a Proptimizer. Going to dig into this tool to help us find some plays for Monday Night Football. Play number 1, we're going to go Jauan Jennings, more than 17.5 receiving yards over an underdog. It is up at 19.5, but our projection model has it at 23.5. A couple yards there. I still like the over. Finished last season over 3 of the last 5 games. The Jets defense secondary is good. I think they'll take away the primary looks here, and Jauan Jennings will get a little bit of usage here, and I like him as play number 1 to go over higher than 19.5 receiving yards. Got a little update there. That is play number 1. If you didn't already, smash that like button. Make sure you get access to more plays. NBA's coming. Cannot wait. MLB postseason right around the corner. But we need play number 2 for today's video. I'm going to go with Mike Williams, higher than 33.5 receiving yards. Again, underdog fantasy, all the way down at 28.5. I get extra value over on underdog. This is the sleeper Proptimizer. It's got 33.5. I get 5 free yards over on underdog. He's been over. Well, these are obviously our preseason games. 3 of his last 5 games overall, but it's pretty obvious. Oh, this is on preseason games. This is Mike Williams being out. Total brain fart there. 4 of his last 5 games, obviously coming off of the injury, as we're talking about Mike Williams. Aaron Rodgers back. Hopefully he lasts more than 1 series. I do think Williams is going to feature heavily in this offense. I think this is too low. I know, Williams will stretch the field vertically. Really could get here in just 1 catch, maybe 2. Going to look for Williams down the field. Think he gets there against this San Francisco defense. Yes, it is a tough defense, but I expect this game to get extended vertically, especially down the stretch. While I'm a Jet fan, you have to favor the 49ers in this game, playing from behind, more looks. Mike Williams over is where I am looking. I'm going to go Mike Williams higher than 28.5 receiving yards over here on underdog. One other play that I liked, and this is just me liking the play. Our projection model does have it a little bit over, and it's not over on underdog anymore. So I'm still going to give you 3 plays. It's an honorable mention play mixed in the middle here. If you somewhere where you can bet Brock Purdy more than 2.5 rushing attempts, I do like that play. I think he's going to get flush. He doesn't run a ton. He runs just enough, can do the things, and think he will get pressured by the Jets defense, get flushed out a couple times, couple runs could come his way. They're going to put a bow on it, and you know what? Because I think the Jets are going to play from behind, we're going to go 1 more receiver. We're going to go Tyler Conklin, also over 29.5 receiving yards. We get 28.5 over on underdog fantasy. As you can see, over his 3 of the last 5 games, I know last season's data, it's not end all be all. It's not, it's take it with a grain of salt, quite honestly. But again, I think the game script works out. I think Rodgers is going to spread the ball around here. With Aaron Rodgers, you're going to have to see who he's going to favor in this offense. But again, I'm not looking for over 55, 60 yards from somebody. I'm looking for a couple receivers, primary targets in this offense to have, pretty medium days in a game script that I do think favors them. So those are my 3 favorite plays for Monday Night Football. Going to go ahead. I'm going to lock it in with you guys watching. We're going to go a quarter unit. We track all the plays at DFS Army. Going to try and win 6x my money here. The recap: Jauan Jennings higher than 19.5 receiving yards. Mike Williams higher than 28.5 receiving yards. And also Tyler Conklin higher than 28.5 receiving yards. If you didn't already, smash that like button. Come get some of the promos, the free money, the more plays, access to Discord, link down below. I'll see you in DFS Army. But for now, here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.